Hey, it's Christmas time, so it's time to make a blunt steel style Christmas obstacle.
Yeah, so today we're gonna make a candy cane rail with an attachment so you can skate it two different ways. So it should be a pretty cool rail.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. So with some TV magic, we have a couple pieces of pipe that we bent at 90 degrees. We're going to cut them, weld them together, so it looks like one continuous 180-degree bend, and that'll be the attachment piece that we add to the end of the Hoosie Wutsy. Now we're going to cut these. We'll keep this part straight right here. That'll attach to the Hoosie Wutsy, but we'll cut this and this one so you can see where the bend starts, and we'll just eyeball it. The soapstone, we'll be able to see it in the see it better in the portaband. All right, so we got the portaband set up with some rectangular tube in the vise just to hold it in place, and we're going to use this clamp to keep it on. All right, so got those bends cut. We just need to cut out a little sleeve that'll go inside here. That's good there. That's good. Yeah. All right, that's actually looks pretty good. Looks like one solid piece. It's blended in pretty well. Once it's painted, it'll look even better, but this was two pieces and now it's one.
All right, now we're gonna weld the feet onto the Hoosie Wutsy bar.
0, 1, 3. Oh, that's real good. Ain't nobody stop me. Ain't nobody stop me. Ain't to me.
So this will be like this. We'll be able to skate it flat on the ground like that. Then we'll loosen it. Put this straight down. We'll tighten it. And then we'll be able to skate it like this. That's going to be funny, but we're going to have to make a base. And it's going to have to be pretty wide so it doesn't tip over. Alright, so this will be what the candy cane sleeves into and tightens to. And then this will be attached to this plate, and we'll be all done. All right, so this will be something like this, right? We know that'll work. This is what we needed to make sure is going to work right, is this base, so we can skate it upright. All right, well, now we just got to paint it. We're all set. Ho, ho, ho. I don't have a Santa hat, so just going to use white headband with blunt steel hoodie. It does the trick. I think you get the idea. Anyways, here's the rail. It's ready to go. It's done, painted. Yeah, still not completely dry. So we still have to put the decals on and the foam pads on the bottom. But I think you definitely get the idea. And it's just going to get scratched up anyways. Holy cow, this thing looks good. What do you got? Ho, ho, ho. Hey, I wish I had a Santa hat.
Wait, what you do? Oh wait, it's a headband.
This is the best I could do.
Oh my, what is this?
Yeah. It's gone. This guy.
Oh shit.
I heard there was a Christmas party here. We put it.
I don't know, just said everyone's kind of over here, so might as well just throw it out in the mix here. Next to the other one, kind of. That's right there. Wax.
Oh, is it gonna work?
It's gonna be hard to make that corner. I know that.
Candy canes are
time to go. It was a success. I think everyone had fun. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Comment below if you got any other ideas that you want to see.
Merry Christmas.